सलमान मैं अभी से बोलता हूँ मैं जोर दूँगा मैं इसको भाई को मिलता नहीं करेगा
So your question was, so we are going to say about you just
what I was saying about this
yes, no.
he never increased anybody's testosterone enough to cause any changes in body composition ever. Okay, all these things can only get you baseline. They worked in medications in the labs. There is some evidence to prove, but you're only talking about depressed testosterone levels coming to normal. And when you want to actually change body composition drastically, the boost in testosterone, but not goes to the physiological levels that won't happen. So I would not waste money to do this work.
And to ectomorphs,
especially remember one thing that supplements are expensive for everybody. So it's very, very important to spend money on the right ones.
and do ectomorphs can become mesomorphs.
I mean, if they can represent the look of mesomorph, I'll tell you what, that's the related to your question. Let's assume that you have a breast vaccine right now. So no breast vaccines, knows is a professional orator. Okay? He's known for tremendous amount of definition. He's extremely thorough. He's known for tremendous amount of definition. He falls under the bracket under hardly any pure forms. He's an ectomorph. The point is, if you're thin but you're very much sport, then you definitely have a piece of order because the electrical is there. Now, if you're the kind of person who finds it difficult to keep your size and shrinks the moment he's off the order in that, and that person is an ectomorph. So in the ectomeso, actually, yes. Pure mesos are like the guys running over the ectomeso. There are endomesos also. Myself, consider myself to be an endomeso. I really need to, if I'm on carbs, I really need to take care that I don't gain fat or gain muscle. Very difficult for me to do that. And if you see me a few years back in off-season, I used to grow 111 kilos. So I could have been super ripped. And one of my competitions I looked like 2000 years to last, I looked like an ectomorph. An ectomeso. But if you see me in the off-season, I look like an endomeso.
There are two kinds of people who we often have to face in the gym. One is that they say that they do not want to compete because they just have come to their aim. And second, mostly the guys especially, they count the days they have to do their lower body. So what advice do you give such people?
You're all seeing Africa. If you show you a picture of Africa, you like it. There are certain design elements that don't change, whether it's the human body or whatever. And it comes from function, it comes from stability, it comes from power, structural integrity. The reason why you like Africa is because it's got a very strong base going up to the tip. Now what I would like to do is in your minds, reverse the picture of the Africa. And I'll actually have the Africa standing on its tip. Okay? Like some of those models that we have, main models. So the Africa is standing on its tip. Can you imagine the Africa standing on its tip? Same structure has been reversed. The top is the bottom. Does it look aesthetic? No. It looks like an extremely weak structure in the top and end. And because of that, there will be weakness and lack of stability, you don't like the design. Buildings that have a wide base, cars whatever, sports cars. Tires make all the difference. So if you get a Ferrari or a Lamborghini or any of the top cars, supercars, you find nice fat tires. And keep the cars design exactly the same. So don't change the Ferrari, but keep thin tires on all fours. Let's see what happens. You kill the look of the car. In my college days, even that stupid premium Palagini used to go good with fat tires, if somebody used to have fat tires. Women have a problem with whiteness. Okay? And excess fat is going to make anybody look anesthetic. But again, I want you to see the difference. Let's have a woman who's excessively fat on her thighs. Okay? And let's have another woman who's carrying the same quantity of fat, the fat distribution is different like this, that she's extremely heavy on the upper body, but extremely sensitive on the lower body. Which how do you do fat range when you think you do more play relatively? No. The one that is max. Okay, you have to know that many people stay away from electrical because they don't understand the basis of aesthetics. Aesthetics stems from functionality. That is what it stems from. Whatever is function, looks good. We like the tiger and cheetah because they're muscular. They are muscular not to impress you by look. They are muscular because they need to be muscular and they need to survive. It is their functionality that makes it so appealing. Have you seen I'll tell you what functionality is twisting around. You see the Jersey cow, those muscular Jersey cows? The blue cow? Somehow it doesn't look right. Because it's not meant to be there. And muscle is supposed to look right everywhere. Now the double muscle cow actually is not that strong. Its functionality is not there. So you need to cow. Formula cows are like, you like to look for formula cows? The shape does not come from some kind of need to make the car attractive. The shape is come by elevating everything that is not required. But only keeping things that will make the car move fast. If it is a universally open shape, if everybody likes this shape, it is not natural that we ask the people of the car to work as well as aesthetics or priority, we need to aesthetics to the least priority. The priority is what? To eliminate everything that the car moves in the car, only keep that metal. That will help the car move faster. So the shape is actually not for elevation. But we love the shape. You know the film back? The film back of the Formula car? It was good, no? But if you think some flashy moves put the film and start making it look good, if the film is not there, then it will end with something with the car off. There's a reason for that. Which is why it's hard to clean up again and put the film head to stupid. Because I don't know how I think that. So what is the man is saying that? Legs are the foundation. The reduced strength comes from legs. And right now it's very embarrassing when we talk about that because my legs have become body legs. Because of the kids that I sustained 6-7 months of more leg training, I feel half a man with no legs or no leg development. I used to be laughing and making jokes with people saying, "Prudent, each other, the phrase we use for people standing on stilts." But I know I'm going to the back. And I know the reports. You cannot have strength. See, understand one thing. A guy with very powerful legs, mediocre body, he's going to be okay. But very powerful legs, he will exude a sense of strength and power. Case in point, your rugby players, your football players, the Irelands. When you see them, you go mess with them. And they are with strong foundations. Not so very upper bodies. And you have a person with a fantastic upper body, fully and with 7 and 6. You probably have stress like this to you, never feel the presence of a strong, capable person. It will just be a body there for some moderate training. It's not only you increase the body. It's what you go wrong. The dynamic change to understand functionality, even if you punch somebody, the power comes from the legs. Even if you throw something, the power comes from the legs. So strong upper body has no meaning with free legs. Metabolic rate, weight training boosts metabolism. And the biggest contributor to the metabolic rate would be leg workouts. If fat loss is something that you're concerned about, don't skip leg workouts. There's a reason why cardiovascular activity is mostly leg-centric. Because 45 minutes of moving your legs ends up consuming a lot more calories than 45 minutes of moving your arms. That is why every other cardio machine is always something that moves your whole body. Because a large contribution there, oxygen activity will be more. No, I think that's why it's the yeah, it's 3 more eggs in the morning. Any vegetable with 100 grams of meat, and any vegetable with 100 grams of meat in a night. And it's not that one because you can change the vegetable and you can also change the meat. Breakfast for veggies, I would suggest keep it nuts and macaroni. Macaroni nuts. Yeah, not the dry fruits, not the veggies, not the dry fruits, I'm talking about the nuts. That is high class. प्रधान मंत्री ने आम आदमी और discussion with the economy. Then water treatment. So you have about 100 grams of nuts along the way, something of your atmosphere. And for after for lunch and dinner, again any cooked vegetable or paneer.